This week, SoFi investors should brace for significant market movements, as multiple factors could influence the stock's trajectory. We'll dive into key expectations, potential volatility triggers, and everything else you need to be aware of in the coming days. So let's get right into it. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert this is not a financial advice video. For those who were unsettled by last week's market swings, be prepared. This week could be even more intense. As Monday begins, traders will likely take time to reflect on the events of the previous week while also anticipating the upcoming economic data releases. Several reports are scheduled to drop, each with the potential to push the market in either direction, creating an unpredictable environment. By Tuesday, attention will turn toward Jerome Powell, who is set to speak on both Tuesday and Wednesday. His discussions will focus on crucial economic indicators, including inflation, interest rates, and labor market conditions. Given the unfavorable labor data from last week, Powell's commentary may take on a more cautious or even bearish tone, which could impact investor sentiment. Historically, weak economic reports have sometimes fueled expectations for rate cuts, but this time the worsening data has instead led to increased market concerns. In fact, expectations for a rate cut in the upcoming March meeting have dropped from around 16% to just 8%, intensifying investor anxiety. Powell's remarks could either exacerbate this fear or help to stabilize sentiment. Adding to the week's complexity, Wednesday will also bring the release of the Consumer Price Index, CPI, for both the monthly and yearly periods. Current forecasts estimate the annual CPI at 3.1% and the month-over-month figure at 0.3%. Following that, Thursday will feature the Producer Price Index, PPI, along with the usual jobless claims data. Finally, retail sales figures will be released on Friday, rounding out a data-heavy week that could drive significant market fluctuations. Shifting focus specifically to SoFi, CEO Anthony Noto is set to participate in a fireside chat, which has sparked considerable interest among investors. Recently, Noto acknowledged retail investors' dissatisfaction with the stock's performance through a social media post. Given this, he might take the opportunity to drop hints about SoFi's future plans or even provide some unexpected positive updates. Investors are keen for signs of innovation or growth, and this event could be an ideal platform for him to provide such insights. Additionally, there is speculation that Noto may purchase more SoFi shares this week. If that happens, it would be a strong confidence signal, especially since he has previously bought shares at lower price levels but never in the double digits. If he does make a purchase, it would indicate his belief that SoFi's current price presents a valuable opportunity, potentially boosting investor sentiment. Apart from the fireside chat, another development to watch is the earnings season. Upstart is expected to report its earnings after market hours on Tuesday, and since its performance can influence SoFi's stock movement, investors should keep an eye on those results. Short interest in SoFi remains significant, with 12.32% of the free float currently being shorted, amounting to approximately 132.61 million shares. Short sellers became more active last Thursday, and with the potential for negative data releases this week, they might increase their positions further. Interestingly, the cost to borrow minimum remains negative, indicating that at least one broker is attempting to stimulate activity in the stock. Turning to options trading, volume was relatively low on Thursday and Friday, suggesting either a shift in trader focus or an indication of upcoming opportunities elsewhere. However, open interest levels at various strike prices indicate potential movements. Specifically, there are 5,000 contracts at the $15 strike, another 5,000 at $15.50, and additional positions at $16 and $16.50. If SoFi's stock price approaches any of these levels by Friday, it could prompt increased short selling activity. At the close of the previous trading session, SoFi stock settled at 14.91 cents, right on the S2 pivot level, making this a crucial price point to monitor. Key support levels to watch include $14.24, while resistance is expected around $15.32. The stock briefly tested this resistance level last Friday, so it will be interesting to see if it can break through in the coming days. From a technical analysis perspective, SoFi ended the week at $14.89, below both its 50-day moving average and the ALMA indicator. This suggests that the stock may be in a consolidation phase. Historically, when SoFi has traded below its 50-day moving average, a roughly 30% pullback has often followed. Therefore, whether the upcoming economic data releases are positive or negative could play a key role in determining the stock's next direction. The stochastic RSI indicates that SoFi is currently in oversold territory, which could lead to some buying activity as traders look for a potential rebound. If Noto makes a share purchase or significant news emerges from the fireside chat, that could also provide a boost to the stock. Beyond technical factors, another potential market-moving event this week is analyst ratings. Some analysts have yet to update their outlook on SoFi, including David from Wedbush, who has remained silent for the past 3 months, despite actively rating other stocks. Given his history of issuing bearish ratings on SoFi, it's possible that he may release a new update at a strategic moment to apply pressure on the stock. With all these elements at play, this week is shaping up to be an eventful one for SoFi investors. Whether you're bullish, bearish, or simply hedging your bets, the market will present numerous opportunities. If you're involved in options trading, take time to research potential strategies to make the most of the volatility. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.